Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, right now me and baby girl are on our way out. We are going to go and look for medicine for her. She has been throwing up and all. So I went to the pharmacies and they had to prescribe drugs for her. So I'm just going out to go and look for the drugs because the pharmacy I went to, they don't have the drugs. So I'm going to go around Abuja to look for these drugs. I don't care what it takes, but I need my daughter to get better. So in today's video, you're just spending the day with me, just like a weekend vlog. You're spending with me and taking care of my daughter that is not feeling well, and also I'll be doing some deep cleaning and deep cleaning her toilet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell. So she has been throwing up. She woke up this morning and she has been this morning. She's 2-1, so I don't know. I went to the pharmacy in my estate and they prescribed these drugs for her. They don't have it. And now I'm watching as he moves on toward the road, and I just wander through this empty town alone. You don't have the cereal. My God, where would I get it now? Because of maybe her meeting or what. So I just told you what I told the same pharmacy in my estate before this pharmacy prescribed this for her. And also asked me after giving her this, I should give her anti-malaria medicine. But she didn't know why she still had anti-malaria. Okay, so give me what you have.
Just ask for
sorry? Can you write it down just in case I go to another pharmacy and whichever one day? I'm not in the right sense of state right now because she has not eaten anything, and anything she takes in now she'll just throw it up. So she's weak and I need her to get herself. Like, comment and share. So guys, we went to that pharmacy and they don't have it, so we have to go far again. Like I had to go further to another pharmacy to get her drugs. I even called the hospital and they said I can get her the drugs that is okay for her. I don't need to come into the hospital. Yeah, so that's what we are doing. We are just going out because baby girl, anything she eats, she just put it out. She's not eating, and she's maybe the breeze has made her like feel okay. But earlier on, before I started this vlog, she was really down. So right now we're on our way to another place. It's called Asket from my area. I had to go further. This is the shop I'm going to check for the medicine. Hopefully, I pray they have it. Yeah, please keep on watching, guys. So far, those people did not have it, but I later found the medicine, and it was a malaria medicine, and this was the medicine for her to stop vomiting, so that if she eats food, it will stay in her stomach. So I'm just cooking indomie rice and pasta. So I don't know the one she's gonna eat. Hubby helped me to wash the dresses because she threw up on our bed, and I just finished having my bath right now. Like, guys, motherhood is not easy. When your daughter or your son or your child is not feeling well, you yourself, you are just disorganized. Yeah, so this is later in the afternoon, going to evening. She has eaten, she took her tablet, and she's sleeping right now. So I'm just happy that she's able to sleep and not throw up or wake up. And after this, do you know that she got herself back, and she started becoming lively because she asked me to come and sit down. We were playing music. She was playing music, so I didn't want to have like copyright. And she started dancing for me. I was so happy. Like, I was smiling in the video because my baby girl is okay now. Like, see, sickness is no good at all at all. Like, you guys, if you see her in the morning, earlier in the morning, like she threw up like 5 times, and she did not have anything to eat until I gave her this tablet before she was able to eat, take her medicine, and now she's okay. Yeah, guys, so she's just playing, dancing. I'm just happy that she's okay right now. So please keep on watching, and if you've watched this and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Yeah, I know you guys saw from the title I said living in Nigeria is hard. Yeah, it's hard, guys, because it took me a very long time to find tablets for my daughter for her to get better. Like, it's not easy. So this is the next day. Hubby has gone to work, and I will just be giving her medicine, and and deep clean the house. So please keep on watching.
Cause I'm trying not to hurt now. I don't wanna miss out. I don't wanna lose all this. I ain't afraid to say I love you, baby. I ain't afraid to say that at all. All I'm saying is it with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall. I keep a lock around my heart for safety, cause I've been through this before. All I'm saying is it with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall.
So right now I'm giving her malaria medicine. Yeah, so it's not easy feeding a child malaria medicine. Malaria medicine is bitter. Yeah, so I'm just trying for her to eat it. Making her to laugh so that she can eat. She can drink the medicine. So please. So guys, this is a few hours later. I decided to deep clean this her bathroom because it's really dirty. I've been busy and I kind of neglected the bathroom, so I want to give it a deep clean because there are so many places that are so dirty that needs to be washed. So please enjoy the video. I hope it motivates you to wash your bathroom and deep clean your space. So yeah, let's get the cleaning started.
Looking for a shortcut, does it get easier? Cause I'm trying not to hurt now. I don't wanna miss out, I don't wanna lose all this. I ain't afraid to say I love you, baby. I ain't afraid to say that at all. All I'm saying is it with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall. I keep a lock around my heart for safety, cause I've been through this before. All I'm saying is it with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall.
So this is what I'm talking about. Like, this looks so dirty. Like, I need to really clean all this very well. Like, guys, I've neglected this bathroom. It's not easy being a mom, doing the cleaning, doing the cooking, doing everything. Like, guys, dusting that shit is not easy, but we move forward. It's what we women do. As a woman, you just have to carry all the load in your back. The ones your partner can assist you with, they will assist you, but the remaining one, you just have to do it as a woman and as a mother. And yeah, don't mind me ranting anyhow. Thank you all so much for all the subscription. You guys are the best. Yeah, so please enjoy the video. I'm using that bathroom cleaner to wash this bathroom. Yeah, so I'll just play music for you guys.
She left me lonely. Now I see her in my dreams. Yeah, she's so holy. Got me back in on my knees. Oh, she left me lonely. I swear it's hard to believe. She was the only feel so incomplete. Yeah, she left me. She left me. Yeah, she left me lonely.
So far, in case you watched this extent, you see me dancing in some places. I was playing music to keep me motivated to clean this stuff here because I love playing music whenever I'm doing my cleaning. It gives me that boost and energy to finish doing the cleaning. Yeah, let me know in the comment section, do you play music when doing your cleaning or you just clean? Because if you're cleaning, the house is kind of boring, but when you play music, it gives you that energy. You are dancing and you're cleaning, you just be cleaning and before you know what's going on, you are done cleaning that place. Yeah, so that's what I feel. So I'm just going to be using this vim to put inside the toilet, and I also sprinkle this around the toilet as well and wash.
Yeah, she's so holy. Got me back in on my knees. Oh, she left me lonely. I swear it's hard to believe. She was the only. Now I feel so incomplete. Yeah, she left me. Sand. When I met you, didn't have plans, but I stayed when I should have ran. Hey, and this happens every time. Get too close when I'm playing with fire. I get burned, but I know we'll be fine. Hey, got me running around in circles, looking for a shortcut. Does it get easier? Cause I'm trying not to hurt now. I don't wanna miss out, I don't wanna lose all this. I ain't afraid to say I love you, baby. I ain't afraid to say that at all. All I'm saying is it with you, baby. I'm afraid I'll fall.
So I'm scrubbing all the walls because they have this green stuff. You know when water accumulates in somewhere and water stains the wall, those stuff that is always in the wall. Yeah, so I'm just going to be washing it out and cleaning everywhere just to make sure that the bathroom is really clean.
Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things.
So in this section I had to put that vim and scrub the downside. The gum they used to gum the toilet seat to the floor, that was really dirty, so I had to like use brush to brush all those areas out because those place was kind of dirty and all. So that's what I'm doing. So far I'm done washing all the walls and everything. So I'm just using a rag, a clean rag, to dry the walls. And baby girl was close to me, not really in the bathroom. She was outside the bathroom, so I'm just like keeping her company as well. Yeah, so I'm just drying the walls of the bathroom and drying the toilet seat and all, just to keep the bathroom clean and fresh, so our water will not stain everywhere. So now I'm just going to use my mop and mop everywhere and keep on dancing as I was playing music. And I'll show you guys the finished touch. Here I'm washing baby girl's toilet seat, and the rest just doing the final touch cleaning of this bathroom.
But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. At 29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
So far, this is the final look of the bathroom. I'm done cleaning everywhere. It looks so clean, looks so refreshed. I'm so satisfied that I actually did this, because I've been putting this project on pause. Yeah, everywhere looks neat. I just added those flowers there just to give the bathroom a different look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for all your love and your support. I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you, and please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.